Meteorologist Lauren Jones in tonight for our chief meteorologist Jennifer Shack. We had some showers and thunderstorms to our south and east today. For the most part, I think things have calmed down.
Yes, they have calmed down. We did have that severe thunderstorm warning, but then it was just kind of run-of-the-mill thunderstorms, and especially that much-needed rainfall, very beneficial all across the state. Even though it was pretty widely scattered, you can see at 4:35 we did have that severe thunderstorm warning in the eastern half of the state, but it quickly expired at around 5 o'clock, and things have waned since then. We only have a couple of very small isolated showers, not even picking up any lightning with these. That one severe thunderstorm warning, though, it did produce a little bit of damage. We had some reports of trees blown down on cars, and a tree blocking a roadway as well in both Johnson and Estill counties. But again, things have calmed down. That cloud cover today, especially in the southern half of the state, keeping things a tad cooler. We only topped out at 95 up in Lexington, about 10 degrees above average, but the highs were in the mid-80s for both Jackson and London. We were still about 10 degrees off from breaking that record high in Lexington of 104 degrees set back in 1936. Temperatures are fairly uniform across the state right now. 78 degrees. The dew points are on the climb, especially in the northern half. The dew points have been high throughout the southern half of the state throughout the afternoon. Right now, a dew point of 63 degrees. So feeling like 80 with the southeast wind right now, light at 5 miles an hour. 78 degrees in Lexington, 72 in Jackson right now, 73 in London. Monticello sitting at 71 degrees. Again, those dew points are climbing right now. The southern half of the state still having the highest, muggiest dew points right now. A little bit drier in the northern half of the state, but those are going to be climbing for tomorrow afternoon as those winds pick up back out of the south. They were out of the northeast for the northern half of the state. Those have switched around to the southeast right now at 5 miles an hour. Some good news for tomorrow as the southerly winds increase the cloud cover and the moisture. It's going to be a tad cooler. We're only going to climb up into the low 80s, so about 10 degrees cooler than it was today, at least for the northern half of the state. Again, we have that stationary front that's draped right along the Kentucky-Tennessee border. That's kept things mainly down to our south, and the southern half of the state, they had those scattered showers, but that is going to be slowly meandering off to the north for tomorrow afternoon. That's going to be increasing the cloud cover throughout the day, keeping those temperatures down, also giving us some of that much needed beneficial rain throughout our afternoon Thursday, and especially on Friday as a low pressure system tracks across the stationary front as well. We'll have more widespread showers Thursday and into Friday afternoon. And even better news, the severe threat looks pretty limited as well. Again, this is shown on our in-house microcast model. The cloud cover increasing overnight tonight. By tomorrow morning, a couple of those showers starting off around the Kentucky-Tennessee border. Those are going to be spreading to the north throughout the day. Through the afternoon, we'll have more widespread scattered showers through our Thursday and especially on Friday as well. Rainfall totals. Now, the greatest rainfall totals look to be along the southern half of the state, upwards of anywhere from 1 to even 2 inches. But the bluegrass is on spot for seeing around half an inch to even an inch worth of rain before all is said and done by Friday. For tonight, we'll drop off to 67 degrees, so fairly uniform across the state, even though that temperature difference this afternoon. Partly cloudy skies, a few of those thunderstorms possible, especially to the south, and a high of 83 degrees for our Thursday, so much cooler than we saw today with more clouds, a little bit cooler, and those scattered showers and thunderstorms spreading north across the state. We're going to be even cooler on Friday with even more clouds and even more rain. Then we'll stair-step it back up to near the 90-degree mark. But those rainfall chances really aren't tapering off until next Tuesday, so we'll take it. We like it.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Yes, and the severe chances looking pretty limited throughout the next 7 days, too.
Very nice.
Your rain dance worked.
Yeah, it did.
Apparently.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.